In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log calls in Pipedrive Mobile in 3 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open your Pipedrive Mobile app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen so everything loads properly. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that beforehand to ensure you see the latest options. Next, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the three dots icon. This is your More menu, and it's where Pipedrive keeps a bunch of handy settings and tools. Once that menu opens, scroll if needed and select Preferences. This section controls how the app behaves and is the place to fine-tune features like calling, notifications, and other useful automations. Inside Preferences, find and tap Calling. This is where the magic happens for call activity. The calling screen is designed to help you keep a clean, consistent record of your outreach without extra manual work. Here, you'll see options to log outgoing and incoming calls. Go ahead and enable logging for outgoing calls, so every time you place a call from your device, Pipedrive can record the activity. Then, enable logging for incoming calls as well. So, when clients or leads ring you back, those conversations get captured too. Depending on your device, the app may ask for permission to access your call activity. If you see a prompt, follow the on-screen instructions to grant access. This is necessary for Pipedrive to create call logs automatically. Once turned on, the app will save details like the call direction, timestamp, and duration, and when possible, match the number to a contact or deal in your account. If there isn't a match, you can always link the call later from within Pipedrive. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If you use multiple phone numbers or SIMs, choose the one you typically use for work so your logs stay consistent. If you share a device or handle sensitive conversations, review your team's privacy guidelines before enabling logging. And remember, you're in control. You can return to these settings anytime to turn logging off or adjust how it works for you. And there you go. With just a few taps, opening the app, heading to the three dots menu, choosing Preferences, going into Calling, and enabling logging for outgoing and incoming calls, you've set up automatic call tracking in Pipedrive Mobile. That's all you need to keep your pipeline up to date without the extra effort. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.